125 points on this website equals $1, and 500 points equals $5. And if you check right here, all my all-time earning, you will see that I've accumulated 20,000 points, which equals $200. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step where you can be at the point to also make this type of money, or even made more than I've made on this website. Alright? And the most interesting thing about this website is that you don't actually require any effort to get started. You don't need to be a pro to get started. You don't even need any investment to get started. Everything right here is absolutely free. All it requires is just your access to the internet, a computer, and you are good to go. And no matter where you are in the world, be in Asia, Africa, America, or even Europe, you can still sign up in this website and start generating money. Okay? And one of the most interesting things that I like about this website is that you can cash out through PayPal with Bitcoin. But do you know what the most interesting thing is? You can actually cash out as low as $1 from this website, guys. So you don't need to even wait to make a lot of money to start cashing out. But on my own side, I made $200 before I cash out, just as I have shown you at the beginning of this video. Okay? If today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. What I do here is I actually tested out a lot of websites, and whenever I find something that is working for me, I will come to my channel here and make a video about it for you, so that you too can also start making money online. So if you feel that you want to be part of the family, consider subscribing to this channel, so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to get notified. And you know what that means? You're going to be the first person also to test out the website, and you're going to be the first person to also make money with the website. Alright? So this website that we're talking about today is called Arts Repair Media. It's actually a website that play you to watch video, do surveys, complete some micro tasks, play games, or even earn money by clicking. Alright? You don't need to be an expert to make money on this website. You don't need any investment to get it started. Alright? It's pretty straightforward. And obviously you will need to create your account. Doing that, you just need your email address and put in your username, create a password, confirm your password, and put in your referral code if you have one. If not, just see it on the accept the terms, then click I'm not a robot and hit on start. Alright, you can see it's pretty straightforward. You don't need any credit card to even get it started. But since I have my account already, I'll just go ahead and log in. Alright, but on your side, you have to send you an email address for confirmation. Click it and you'll be redirected to the homepage. Alright, but since I have my account, I'll just go ahead and log in. Now, this is the homepage of this particular website. Alright, the very first thing I would like you to do on this website is to hit on this subscribe button right here, and it will show you this text. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn more about Arts Repair Media, and it's any opportunity. Make sure to share our videos on forum to help build our referral team and enjoy bigger. This actually is their YouTube channel. This website right here is genuine, it's not a scam, and they have a YouTube channel. Now they ask you to subscribe to their channel and you'll be given 5 points. It's pretty straightforward. Just put in your YouTube username and hit on the subscribe button right here, and they will give you 5 points for doing that. You can also check out their YouTube channel. Everything is free and genuine. Okay? There are 3 main ways to make money on this website, just like the way we've seen it at the beginning of the video. Alright? The first one happens to be the survey, and the second method has to be the offers, task, and game, and the third option has to be reward videos. Reward video is actually a place where you can start watching video and making money. Alright? We'll go deep into it later on in the video. But now let's go through it step by step. Okay? Now let's start with the survey. Actually, I'm not a fan of survey, but this website makes me to be engaged with survey because they actually pays good. If you check something like this money right here, you see that this money right here, all the offers available are surveys, but the survey pay pretty well. Like this first one is going to pay you 330 points. That is €3.30 just for a survey. And most of the survey are not going to take long, just like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Alright? Whenever you want to carry a survey, always go for the high ones. That is what I recommend. Always go for the hhigh ones because you don't want to waste your time. Alright? Like this low one, you don't need to waste your time on this low surveys. Go for the high ones. Like this one also, that is going to pay you another 330 points just to carry a survey, and should be between 10 to 15 minutes. Alright? That is for it. And the second site that I recommend to this website to carry a survey that will actually pay you good money for your real time is the CPS Research. Alright? When you want to carry out a survey on this CPS Research, always check the rating. Okay? Like this one in 7 minutes is gonna pay you 68 cents, and it has 3 ratings. That is good. This one right here requires 5 minutes and it's gonna pay you 75 points with 2 ratings. That is also good. This one right here is 44 points in 6 minutes. That is good. But something like this one with 35 points in 25 minutes, you shouldn't go for something like this. Okay? It's totally a waste of time. Okay? Now the very second method to make money on this website is through offers, task, and game. Alright? here you are going to make a lot of money if you are willing to put in the time and the effort. If you are going to put the effort, you are going to make a lot of money on this part of this website. The offer stars can give. Alright, and the very first thing that I would like you to carry out is the Xmas here. It's pretty new. Okay, just click on it to see it, what it's all about. So when you check out on this Xmas, you see that the very first thing right here is a game, and the game is going to pay you 2,000 points. The second game is going to pay you 3,000 points. The other one is going to pay you 150 points, 250 points, 150 points, 400 points. Guys, if you are willing to put in this effort, you are going to cash out money just the way I made over 200 from this website, guys. If you are willing to put on the time and the effort, definitely you are going to make money from it. Like seriously, you are going to make money from it. If I keep on going down, you see that lots are going to pay you good amount of money. Alright, this website is definitely not a scam. It requires your efforts and your time, but the money, you're going to make it. Alright, if you watch this video to this point, it actually means that you are so curious about making money online. So why not subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, or do play games, careers, offer, and make money online, you'll definitely be the first person to get notified, be the first person to watch it, and be the first person to make money with the website. Now, one of the highest sites that I would like you to be most concerned about is this game replay here. It's actually the top one because of the high paid offers in it. Alright, always click on it to go to the website. Okay, this website actually pays the most. You can see this one is going to pay you more than 1,000, more than 1,000, more than 1,000, 59 points, 660 points. This website here is the real deal on this website. If you are willing to put in the effort, you are going to make more money. Choose any of the offer that you know you can carry out on your own, that is not so difficult, because most of them are not so difficult if you truly put in your time. Alright, and they are going to pay you pretty amount of money, guys. They are going to pay you good money, guys. This one also, most of the offer here are the best. Alright, most of the offer here are the best. 891, 69 points, 330 points, more than 1,000 points. Here is the real deal. I would like you to try it out, guys. And once you do that, always come back to this video and comment what was your experience. Okay, and the last but not the least, to make money on this website is through videos. These are the 4 websites where you can actually watch video and earn money. Okay, and any of these 4 websites, you are going to create an account and start watching video and be making money. Okay, except for this particular one right here that is only available for US only. Create an account and start watching video and earn money. But on this website, this is not my favorite way to earn money. My favorite way to make money on this website is through this gameplay right here. This very one also is months and the surveys. Okay, so if you watch this video to this point and you're not so convinced about this website, make sure to click on this link here that's going to show you more ways to make money online. Alright, see you next week when we drop another video again on how to stay at home and make money